I'm going to show you how I ranked a new site in just 24 hours using AI. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I took to build, optimize, and rank this brand new site in a single day, all with the power of AI. Lock in till the end so you can follow my exact method to rank a new site in just one day. Check out the discounts on most of these AI tools by using the links in the description. Let's get to it. First, I gotta build the site fast. For this, I'll use ZipWP, an AI-powered website builder. It's really easy to use. Just put a short description of the site, select some pics from the library. I can change colors how I want, and within minutes, I have a professional looking site ready to go. Honestly, I was surprised at how good it looked with just a few clicks. I can even add other features like shopping cart and live chat. This AI tool handled the layout, design, and navigation much faster than expected. No coding, didn't even have to customize a theme. The site looks good and has some base content, but we need more to get it indexed and ranked. Before creating the content, I submitted the site to Google Search Console and pulled low competition keywords from ChatGPT. I entered these keywords into a spreadsheet and mapped out blog topics to target those keywords. Then I hopped over to SEO Writing AI to generate content. The tool has a bulk writing feature, so I can upload my spreadsheet to create multiple blog posts in one click. It also has so many options to customize the articles so I can get them exactly how I want. The AI generated content is already optimized for each post, and it was ready to publish in a few minutes. I also connected SEO Writing AI to my website for two reasons. Number one, it scans my site and the other articles to add internal links. Number two, it has auto publishing, meaning the posts go live automatically once they're ready. The posts look great, well structured, optimized, and ready to rank, even including pictures, tables, pull-out quotes, and cited sources. But I'm not done. I checked Google Search Console to see if anything was shaken, and of course there was nothing yet. It's only been a few hours, so I wasn't surprised. Next, I queued up Seona to optimize the site even more. Seona analyzed everything: titles, descriptions, H1s, OG tags, canonicals, page speed, and more. It recommended over 4,000 optimizations to improve my site's SEO. I can also make changes where I want pretty easily if I want to manually change some things. What's cool about Seona is that it even suggests the next blog post for my site and can write them. After making those optimizations, I submitted the sitemap to Google Search Console to help the site get indexed. To make sure the site was as fast as possible, I added Lightspeed cache to improve the page load speed. After that, I checked Google PageSpeed Insights and see the mobile speed score went from 89 to 96. At this point, everything's set. Content, SEO, page speed, everything's optimized. Now all I have to do is wait. I checked Google Search Console again, still nothing. It did show an impression, but I knew this wasn't right because it wasn't showing any pages indexed yet. I wasn't expecting results immediately, but still, it felt like a long 24 hours. I was even starting to question if this was even possible at all. It was late, so I went to sleep. The next morning, I checked again. That's when I saw it. The site was ranking number 9 for one of my target keywords. Not only that, but it was also ranking for other keywords. The site even got its first click. To see the site ranking in just 24 hours, especially with AI doing all the work, was pretty impressive. Knowing how to use AI is a cheat code for SEO. 24 hours, a number 9 ranking, and a click already. That's wild for an AI built site. AI is really changing the way we approach SEO and business in general. I'll keep tracking the site's performance, so lock in for updates and other challenges as I continue testing the power of AI in SEO.